India's electronics transformation is no longer a vision. It's happening now. In just a decade, India has become one of the world's fastest growing electronics manufacturing destinations. And this is only the beginning. Backed by the PLI scheme, ECMS, Semicon India, Make in India and Digital India, India is building one of the world's most competitive electronics manufacturing ecosystems. Electronics exports continue to reach new milestones. Growing global demand and expanding manufacturing are strengthening India's role in global supply chains. Mobile phones are leading India's export success. Now that momentum is expanding into telecom equipment, AI infrastructure, and other advanced technologies. Behind this growth is a rapidly expanding manufacturing ecosystem. Investment, innovation, and skilled talent are strengthening supply chains, component manufacturing, and high-value jobs. The next phase goes beyond assembly. Semicon India and ECMS are accelerating semiconductor manufacturing, component localization, and greater value addition. Global partnerships are strengthening resilient technology supply chains. Together, they are accelerating India's leadership in semiconductors, AI, EV electronics, and next-generation manufacturing. India's electronics revolution is entering a defining decade. Driven by innovation, manufacturing, and global partnerships, India is powering the future of global electronics manufacturing.